Grandma, when you get home, you could play with me. And also for your birthday, you could hold me too, because I know that's what you really want to do on your birthday. I got the toy right. You just hurry up and come home now, okay? You see, it's a good toy. Okay, Gracie, go ahead and look at the camera. Look at the camera for Grandma and wish her happy birthday. Gracie? Huh? Happy birthday! Oh, wait. Why do I care? You're not my dad. Where's my dad? Well, Ma, I hope you're out having a good day. Away from me, you could be at home with me right now, but instead you decided to hang out with a bunch of drunks all day. Whatever. I hope it's a good day. You owe me birthday cake when you get home. Don't forget, I am your senior. I demand you come home ASAP. Right now, or I'll come and get you.